Alright, working on Two-Face again. 2009 Honda Rancher 420. So it starts, but this is the one with 2004 fenders, so I'll remove that. I'm gonna finally get those 2009 on order. Anyway, today we're working on replacing the one-way bearing on this. So what happens when you turn it off, it still makes a spinning noise, so we're gonna set you right there and start working and see if we can record this whole thing. Probably gonna take a while, so gotta start somewhere. I'm not even sure how to get these connectors off, so hopefully I'm not in the way of the camera, but maybe I am, so I'm gonna have to move you guys. Okay, I had to move you. So you can see what I'm doing. Taking off these connectors first. Gotta get this case off. Probably gotta move the front axle forward to get the shaft off. I'll pull the shift motor down there, but right now we're gonna get these connectors off. Let's see. Sure there's a right way. Get these things off. Just push down. Push that connector in, and that one worked on that one, so let's see if it'll work on this one. I got lucky on that first one. Let's see if that's gonna do it. Little latch there. Sometimes push on that top part, it comes off. Not always. There's something annoying, isn't there? There we go. Just pinch that, and it comes off. Yes. 10 millimeter, but I don't know if I take that off, but I need to, looks like I get all those bolts off. Alright, we're gonna hop over here. We're gonna start draining the fluid, just what you want to see. So, but that's what I gotta do next. So I'm gonna, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Right here, hose. Catch here. Coolant, antifreeze, whatever. Only have the right tool. Right screwdriver with a Phillips. My dad's a regular. Oh, here we go. Wasted time. Yeah, it's nice and tight. Holy smokes. You need a nut driver for that one. Should start going now. There we go. Hopefully more than half a gallon will come out of this side. We'll see. Rip it. Oh, here it comes. See what you get. Big mess. Catch it all. Dripping all the way over into the back freezer. Yeah, I was hoping I could save it, but it's just going all over here. Nice. What are you gonna do? Keep her moving. Probably still some in the bottom of the block somehow. Where that? Oh. Goes in through here and comes out the other side on the top, so we should have got most of it. I'll get some once we pull this apart. But next thing I probably should do is drain the oil and stuff. This is gonna get tossed. Thought I'd be able to keep it, but it's gonna get tossed, so. We'll pause here. Alright. Trying to drain the oil here. Figure out. Probably just moved everybody. It weighs 17 millimeter on this. Get it going. Oil needed to be changed anyway, so get it going here. And then I think this is up here in that case is where the fuel filter is. So. Note to self, change, buy an oil filter as well. Okay, we're gonna start open up the cap for the oil filter. Worked on some older Hondas, 01s, couple 01s, 04, had in the past. Oh, this could probably make a mess too. I'll pull that case over here. Mix out. I usually don't wear gloves, but if I'm using a camera, then your hands get all messy, so try to keep things clean. Well, it's pretty black. I don't know. The guy I got this from probably didn't. I think he just changed the plastics. He didn't do anything mechanical. He couldn't get it running after a bit. So, she runs good now though. Arrow there, pointing which way's up. Get this off. There's a little seal there. Hold it on. Oh, there it goes. Spring. Look at that. Don't lose the spring. I've been knowing that. Maybe there's something else holding it on, maybe a washer. So I lost that. Pull the filter out. Pretty nasty. That's sit there and drain. Okay, so I went ahead and put the cap and the filter back in, even though I didn't replace it, and then put the drain plug back in. I don't want to lose those. Good place for them. Anyway, continuing on, I'm gonna go ahead and start disconnecting this part of the case. I can't see what I'm talking about because you're so low. So I'm gonna start replacing this part of the case and pull that off so we can replace that one-way bearing. Stay tuned.